Powerade.
You know that Powerade fan na yung nag-inedit niya yung mga For the Win episodes.
Gumawa ng Tigerella story.
Yeah, there's this fan and gumawa siya ng...
Taga-Powerade kayo, hindi niyo pa nakikita ang dalawa?
Gumawa siya ng video. As in, it's like a compilation of all the For the Win episodes. Yung mga sinasabi natin about Powerade, about Gary David, and ginamit niya yun parang as an argument to support, parang Gary David for MVP. Galing. And that's, that's proof na yung Powerade, na you guys, yes, even you, you were able to move people, you were able to inspire people. But, you're right, may mga formalities pang dadaanan, but I suppose it's virtually a done deal. Oh, the name of the fan is Amy. Si Amy, yung napakagaling mag-edit na fan.
She tweeted me that. Di ko pa lang nabuksan.
Tamo?
Tignan mo to. Anong klase ka? What kind of... Can you apologize to Amy?
Sorry, I'll watch it next time.
Napaka-suplado mo. Itinweet na sa'yo. Hindi mo na kailangan hanapin, i-click mo na lang.
Kami nga, hinanap pa namin sa'yo. Tinweet na ng diretso.
Busy eh.
You're too busy for your fans?
No. Di ko lang na...
Grabe ka.
Teka, back to Powerade.
Anyway, so yun nga.
Powerade is about the fans.
Yeah. And yung Powerade fans, you will find new people.
I hope they'll support the
the new team. Pwede.
From what we've heard
Support Doug din.
You can support Doug.
Kung saan mapupunta si Charles.
And kung wala talaga yung magawa, support Charles. Diba? So, life goes on.
Pag tinweet nyo, hindi rin kayo papansin.
Nag-reply ako.
Sorry ka nga ulit kay Amy.
Nag-reply ako.
Can you just say, I'm sorry, Amy, for not checking the video?
Sorry for not checking the video.
Say her name,
Amy. Ano to?
What
bullies these guys.